My name is Yui and I'm going to talk about the subject sinkhole. Have you seen the movie Sinkhole? I'm going to give kind of introduction. As you can see in the movie Sinkhole, the sinkhole is kind of a natural disaster in which the land goes down and it creates a hole. What is sinkhole? I'm going to talk about the formation of sinkhole. If there is kind of a hole inside the land and the erosions keep going on it, it becomes kind of a pressure onto that hole. And there is kind of no difference with the just land and the hole and the sinkhole. So people don't really know what that is, but it is sinkhole. And the disaster comes out. If there is a big pressure is given on that hole. So I'm going to give you some symptoms before the sinkhole begins. The first one is changes in plant growth around it. As you all know, plant uses the water in the ground. And if there is something happening in the underground, there are some changes in plant growth, like it's growing so slowly. And second, there is also groundwater change. As you can see in the first example, if there is kind of a change in something underground, it all comes out. So also like groundwater change can be the evidence of that sinkhole is right under here. And I'll give you some 3 categories of how sinkhole is divided. First, size, second, cause, and then shape. Let's see in the first section, cause. It is divided into 2 sections, artificial and natural sinkhole. In artificial sinkhole, it can be the reason of construction, bad drainage system. And in this time, drainage system means 배수 system. And there is also natural sinkhole, which is caused when underground rock is melt and when there is an earthquake or a volcano. Let's see size. There is 3 types of size, which is minor, moderate, and major. In the minor, as you can see, it just X meters and it doesn't really create a big disaster. However, starting from moderate sinkhole, it begins from car collapse to building collapse. And in the final degree, which is major sinkhole, it causes big structure like a big building collapse and it creates big damage. And shape, I'll quickly just go over it because it's not really important. There are 3 types of it, which is pure sinkhole, spiral sinkhole, and tunnel-shaped sinkhole. The first one is circle-shaped, and second one is like this shaped, and tunnel-shaped is just tunnel-shaped. It is also happened in Korea lots of times, and the research I got was 6 times. Starting from 2016 to 2023, there were 6 instances of sinkhole. And as you can see, it was not only just in countryside, but mostly in Seoul, which is city. What can we do for the solution of sinkhole? Actually, there can be a perfect solution because the sinkhole is usually made when it is unexpected. So, but the, for the least damage, we can make a solution. For example, you can use an acoustic sensor, sensor, to inspect the sinkhole and improve the drainage system. Before I move on to the quiz, do you have any question? Quiz. First, how are sinkholes classified?
Size,
Carbon
and shape.
Yeah. And what can be the solution for sinkholes?
Improve
improve drainage system use.
And also using an acoustic sensor. Thank you for listening.